Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It is a one-wall dance. It's called 909 RU. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction, but before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you're interested in dancing along to the music, watch till the end. Are you ready? And let's go. So 909 RU. All right? So the first step starts with a diagonal travel. Okay? So you're going to travel up and you're going to do a diagonal. So you go right, left, and it's kind of like a roll. And come back on your left, back to the center. Left, right. Again, so you're doing a travel diagonal to your right. Right, left. My left is in the front, then come back. Left, right. The same thing that I did to the right, I'm going to do to the left. Left, right. Right, left. Okay? There you go. So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? So you travel and you just walking back, okay? But you're doing the right, you're doing your left. So it's just a diagonal. Now we're going to move up real slow. Step right, left, and we did that 4 times. So we moved up, now we're going to come back. We're going to roll back 6 times. So step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Tap. All right? So we went up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. Right, left, 2 more, right, and left. So when you roll back, when you step on your right, just count it. 1, left 2, right 3, left 4, right 5, left 6, and tap. All right? So let's put that together. So far, all we've done was a diagonal travel starting to your right. Travel up on your right, just walk back on your left. Travel up on your left, walk back on your right. Go up for 4, come back for 6. Okay? 5, 6, 7, and right, left. And notice how my left is in the front. Come back on your left. Left, right. Left, right. My right is in the front. Then come back. Right, left. Up, right, left. Step back. Right, left, back right, back left, and tap. All right, the next step is some footwork, okay? So let me go this way and show you. So I tapped here, and there's a pause. RU, tap, out, in. That's the step. You're going to do the tap footwork. You're going to do on your right and your left. So I tap, pause. It says RU, tap, out, in, and switch. Out, in, tap, out, in. So same thing I did on the right, I did on the left. The only thing is when you finish first do this step, there's a pause. RU, tap, out, in, out, switch. RU, tap, out, in. Okay, and my weight is on the left. Last step was on the left. I put my weight on the left and we go to the next step. All right, so let's go to the top. A review, a diagonal travel, go up for 4, come back for 6, then the footwork with that pause when we first start, okay? 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, back right, that's 1, back left, that's 2, back right, that's 3, back left, that's 4, back right, that's 5, back left, that's 6, and tap, and pause, tap, 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 out, in, out, and switch, out, tap, 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 out, in, and switch. Put my weight on the left, okay? So I just did that footwork that I just showed you. So when you first do it, you gotta pause, pause. So when they say, are you? That's when you move, that's when you tap. Out, in, tap, tap. Out, in, out, and switch. Out, in, tap, tap. Out, in, and in. Out, in, out, in. So you only pause that first time, okay? From here, you do a travel. Travel up. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and left. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and left. Then we're going to do it again. We're going to do a half turn. We go right, left, pivot, left, right, tap. Okay, so let me show you what we did. So the first time we did a travel, drunken sailor, moving forward. Right, left, right, and left. Right, left, pivot half, go back on your left. Left, and you're going to do a rock, recover, step, tap. Out, in. Do that footwork again. All right, so that second one you go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 1. So you rock back, recover. You got time to do it, okay? Right, left, pivot, rock, back, step, tap. Out, in, tap, tap. Out, in, switch. Out, in, tap, tap. Out, and do that travel step, and right, and left, and travel step, and pivot, rock, recover, and so when you rock back, recover, step, go right back to the top, okay? So I know I'm teaching kind of fast on that part. I'm just showing you what's coming up. I'm coming back, and I'm going to break it down to you. Okay, so here, the travel step. Right, left, roll right, roll left. Then right, left. The second time, instead of rolling right and rolling left, you pivot with the right shoulder coming forward. Half turn, rock back, recover, step, tap. Out, in, tap, tap. Out, in, switch. Out, in, tap, tap. Out, in. From here, you go into the travel step. I told you this was a one-wall dance, okay? So we're going to do the travel step again at this back wall. Right, left, right, and left. Again, right, left, pivot, right shoulder comes forward, rock back, recover, step. When you do that, it's time to go back to the top with your travel step diagonal. Okay? So when you're at this back wall, already think about what you're going to do when you get back to the front, because you got to go right into it. Okay? Right into it. Right, left, right, and left. Right, left, pivot half. So I step forward on my right. Turn, pivot half, rock back, recover, step, right, left, 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 right, going back, right back into it. So rock back, recover, step on your left, and travel on your right. Starting to dance over. There's only 2 rotations. So let's go through the whole thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, 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 right, right. Left, right, 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 left, left. Right, left, right, left. Come back 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, tap, and pause. Are you? Tap, tap. Out, and switch. Out, in. Tap, tap. Out, in, out, and right, left, right, and left. Right, left, pivot half, rock back, recover. And step. Out, in. Tap, tap. Out, in, out, and switch. Out, in. Tap, tap. Out, in, and travel. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, roll. Roll. 1 and 2, 3, pivot, rock back, recover, travel. 1 and 2 left. So here's the thing. You start the dance over. Here's the thing. If you want to do this dance, I need you to look at the dance first. Okay? I think there's one tricky part, and that's when you got to do the pause. So listen to the music. When he say, are you? That's when you got to do, are you? Tap, tap. That's when you start your footwork. When he say, are you? So I would look at the dance first and listen to the music. And when they start the footwork, listen to what they're saying. Are you? Tap, tap, because there's a pause at the very beginning. So that's the dance. 909, are you? Go over to 909 crew and see Eric and Tish and their crew doing it. 909 crew. And come back and put the pieces together. Leave me a comment. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you share this video. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.